So there's a couple of skill sets that I think any technology focused lawyer needs. And I'm going to broaden that now to not just cyber, not just AI, but technology. Those skills are as follows. First one is having a grounding in security. And I say that just because that's what I am at my heart, is a cybersecurity lawyer. But understanding the security needs of a company and the security needs of a product, I think, is key. And that includes AI. The second element I think a technology lawyer needs to understand is privacy. And that's just because privacy has grown and actually exploded in terms of importance in how the world perceives the collection and use of information. The third element I think that an attorney needs to know is risk management. And this is something that is separate from understanding the technology of cyber or the technology of privacy, but how to identify those specific risks and the controls you need to meet them as well. So those are sort of the key skills that I think that a future technology lawyer needs. Where do you get those skills? Since you asked about you asked about how we can address some issues. One is hopefully your law schools are providing this education. If they're not, I do encourage people to look at gaining certain certifications. So one of the things I recommend to my law school students is to get at least 2 certifications, now maybe 3. The first one is to get an entry-level cybersecurity certification. There is one called the CC, Certified in Cyber, and it teaches the fundamentals of both cyber technology and risk management. The second entry-level certification is called the CIPP, Certified Information Privacy Professional. And this is one that's very rules-based, but it does teach you what the rules are about collecting and using personal information. For the longest time, those were the 2 that I always recommended my students to get. Starting this year, I'm actually recommending students look at getting a third certification, also entry-level, called the AIGP, Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. And this is one just because AI is turning into the new kid on the block. It's one that I'm encouraging people to start exploring, getting more in-depth knowledge on.